How to connect multiple boards in monday.com. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect multiple boards in monday.com. So let's get started. In order to do that, first open your monday.com account, and here at the left side you'll be able to see all of your boards, and here you can see I've created an overview board and other boards named as 1, 2, 3. So what you're going to do is that the overview board will have access to all the 3 boards, and whenever you make some changes on the overview board, it should be made on all of the boards and vice versa. So for example, what you're going to do is just click on overview board, and here what you're going to do is add a column. So just click on add column and click on this connect board. So this is a column type, that's connect board. So what you're going to do is just click on select boards over here, and you're going to select a board. Now let us first do for a single board. So just select first board. I'm going to click on 1, and this is within the review workspace. So just select on it and click over here, that is create a two-way connection. So a new column will be added on each of the selected boards. Items connected in one board will get automatically connected and covered to the next board. So just click on it, and then you can even select other boards. So now let us first see that is the board created on the other board as well. Now you can see this. When you click on board 1, you can see that link to overview column has been created. And when you come to overview, you can see that a column with the name 1 has been created. So whenever you come to the board 1 and you make some changes within this board, for example, here, just click on this plus icon and just add any item. Now, for example, I add the item 1 to the item 3. And when you go back to the overview board, you'll be able to see that item 3 would be added to item 1. So let us check. Now here you can see the item 1 has been added to item 3 because that was how we had assigned it within the board 1. So what it will do, that it will get all of those changes, it will sync those changes to the overview. Now let us add some other boards. So for that you can just click on customize and then click on connect more boards. And here just select board 3 and board 2. Scroll down and click on create a two-way connection so that the boards are synced. Then click on connect. And after that, when you come to your other boards like board 2, you'll be able to see a link to overview has been created here, and go to board 3 and you'll be able to see a link to overview is connected here as well. So when you go back to overview, you can just keep on adding and assigning them over here, or you can even click on settings, go to customize, and here you can even disconnect any board you wish to disconnect. For example, I've disconnected 3, so when you go back to the board 3, you'll be able to see that here the link has been removed. Even though the column is still there, it won't go unless you remove it, but it is empty and there is no link over there. So that was basically how you can connect boards on monday.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.